Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to 15th day of Vlogmas. My god, we are on 15th day. I feel great. So in this video I'm going to share with you all a winter wear haul. So I recently went to Club Factory और वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा सेल चल रहा था. So I got few sweaters for myself. So ये online नहीं है, so I can't put links of the products that I bought. But Club Factory अगर आपके सिटी में है तो definitely visit that, क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे सेल शुरू है फिलहाल और बहुत दिनों तक है. So all of the items that I bought today were priced at 799 rupees, which I think is a great deal क्योंकि sweaters are expensive. Now fun fact about me, मैंने life में अभी तक खुद के लिए खुद से एक भी स्वेटर नहीं खरीदा है, like until now. मुझे कभी स्वेटर लेने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी, बिकॉज ऑल द स्वेटर्स जो मैंने बचपन से आज तक पहने हैं, इंक्लूडिंग द वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ, वो सारे मेरे मासी ने मेरे लिए लाए हैं. तो ना मुझे ना मेरी माँ को कभी स्वेटर लाने पड़े, क्योंकि मेरी मासी हर साल हमारे लिए स्वेटर्स लाती है. आई एम नॉट किडिंग, हर साल. तो शी लव्स टू ट्रैवल और वो बहुत घूमती है और वो जहाँ भी जाती है वहाँ से मेरे लिए एक स्वेटर लेके आती है. सो आई थिंक आई हैव स्वेटर फ्रॉम ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द स्टेट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. तो मेरे पास जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का स्वेटर है, आई हैव स्वेटर फ्रॉम राजस्थान, लाइक फ्रॉम एवरी स्टेट पॉसिबल मेरे पास अलग अलग स्टाइल के अलग अलग कलर्स के स्वेटर है बिकॉज ऑफ माई मासी. तो मुझे कभी स्वेटर लेने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. सो मैंने ये पहली बार स्वेटर्स लिए हैं. So it was kind of a wow, I bought sweaters for myself moment for me. So yes, let's get started. All the sweaters in this video are priced at 799 and one of them is I think less than 799, but I don't remember the exact price. So let's get started. So number one is this plain white sweater, and oh my god, I loved it. This is my first white sweater and it feels really great. I bought this in size XL. मेरा size M है. M भी मुझे लूज होता है, तो XL मुझे बहुत लूज होता है. But I think I wanted that I'm wearing loose sweater, I don't give a shit kind of a mood. Yeah, weird, but yeah, it looks really nice. It has got a little detailing on neck. Not ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि एकदम से detailing on neck, ऐसा नहीं है, but जो भी है it feels really cool. And the sleeves are really nice. So yes, I actually liked it. You might look at it and say, oh, it's a plain sweater, like plain white sweater, but I think I really like it. It's really cool. Number two is plain black sweater. Wow, this haul is not how I wanted it to be. So I got a plain black sweater जिसमें back में detailing है, like I don't know if you can see. You will in the video that I will put. And उसके bottom में there are tassels. So this looks really cute. This is the only sweater which was not priced at 799. ये उससे कम में था, I think 499, 599 or something. But I really liked it. It's very simple, very casual. It's actually priced at 1599, but बहुत ही सही सेल चल रहा था, so I went crazy. So like cute. Number three is this sweater. I don't know what are these called. So I really liked it. I also got this in large. Again, my size is small or medium. Large मुझे बहुत बड़ा होता है. But if you have seen my day in my life video, मैंने उसमें ये पहना है. This looks really smart and this can like change the game of your outfit. Or suddenly I was looking so smart and I liked every bit of it. So yes, very cute, very nice, loved it. Number fourth is this denim shirt jacket. It's not a sweater, but you can wear this in winter. It's again in size L. I don't know why I was going for oversized look this whole haul, but I think it's really nice. I had a denim shirt, but I don't know where it is now. I don't even remember, like it was like years ago. So I think I needed a good denim shirt. इस पे लिखा है 50% savage, 50% sweetheart. So yeah, liked it. This was also priced, no, this was less than 799 again, but sure, I thought I should include. And the last item of this haul, I know, very simple haul, like what short haul is something that I did not buy. Again, my Masi did, but I thought it was worth mentioning. I think this is the star of the video because I can't believe I have this. So this is actually woolen palazzo set. Yes, I'm not kidding. Like मेरे पास अभी तक woolen मतलब sweater के material का top था because a lot of people have it. It's very easily available. And again, my Masi got me one few years ago. So I had a top of woolen material. Now I have a palazzo. So it's like, wow. And it looks really cool. This is, I think, Kashmir ka hai ye, and this feels amazing and it keeps you really warm and it looks really like cool. You can wear some jhumkas, some bindi, some lipstick and you're good to go. Oh my god, it looks so cute. So if you find this somewhere like in your local stores, definitely buy. It looks amazing and it's worth the money. I don't know ye kitne ka meri Masi ne laya, but oh god, I loved it. So that's it for this video, guys. I know ye bahut short video tha, but I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you tomorrow. In case you have a brand factory in your city, definitely go. Bahut acha sale chal raha hai. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.